So we're going to do a review of the Miele Classic C1 Kids Vacuum. It's got a nice floor head. It also comes with some attachments, but we've lost those.
Only older kids can press that button. And when I'm older, I'll press that, and here will just spring open.
Yeah. So that's all pretend. This is not a real moving dial, which would have been fun. That's a pretend button, and that's the on button. And the floor head, it looks just like a Miele, and it's got the floorboard or the carpet function, but those are pretend too, you can't press those. And then underneath,
Wow, it does have section openings. See that?
underneath there's nothing there. So there's no suction holes in there at all. There's some little wheels and that's it. Well, let's test it. So the other cool thing about this is you can stand it up and put this in here, just like the real Miele.
Yeah.
Turn it on. Hold it down for a bit. Let's see if we can get these balls up. No. Not really doing anything. Just remove the floor head, and we're going to see if there's any suction through the machine itself. No, there isn't. So the results of the Miele test are a big fail. It's a nice looking machine, but it's really just a big piece of plastic that makes a lot of noise. It doesn't have any suction, unfortunately. So probably wouldn't recommend this unless you just want the novelty factor. So Ruben, what do you think of the Miele? Good? Bad?
Bad.
Bad. Sorry, Miele.